Hello, everybody. Thank you for participating in today's conversation about the future public art of one of Lanterra's newest condo developments, Artist's Alley. We have Ryan Gander here today. Ryan has an established international reputation through artworks that materialize in many different forms. Gander's work involves a questioning of language and knowledge, as well as a reinvention of both the modes of appearance and the creation of an artwork.
Lanterra has done maybe 10 or so public art installations in the City of Toronto. So we're excited to not just do an art installation, but to do in collaboration with OCAD and also some students who are in the public art.
You know, the world is not made up of one rounded up type of person. So you wouldn't imagine that there would be one sculpture that would suit all people. For me, a good artwork is about cognition, it's not about the retina. So it's essential that there is an interesting backstory, but it's also essential that there's enough information in the sculpture that people are intrigued to find out about that backstory.
What about money?